Okay, we're going to do a subtraction problem on the abacus with our fractions. And I'm just using indirect method when I do these because once your students get to fractions, they're probably not going to be using the counting method. Some of them might be, but it's faster anyway. So we're going to go ahead and set our first add-in, which is 3.5. Oh, sorry, not add-in, we're doing subtraction. We're going to go ahead and set our minuend here. And so I'm going to count over to my millions period, hundreds, thousands, millions. I'm going to set my 3. And then in my thousands period, I set the 1. And in my hundreds period, I set the 2 of my denominator. So millions period is my whole number. Thousands period is my numerator. And my hundreds period is my denominator. So now I'm going to look at my problem here, though, and I know I've got to find a least common denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 1/2 on the left-hand side of my abacus, 1, and then skip a rod, and then the half, the 2, in the denominator. And I'm going to think about what is my least common denominator in this problem. So I have 3/4 and I have 1/2. So I know that if I multiply 2 by 2, I will get 4. So I'm going to multiply my 1/2 by 2/2. And that's going to give me 2/4. So I'm going to change my denominator on the right-hand side of my abacus to 2/4. And then I'm going to clear it from the left-hand side of my abacus. Okay, now I'm going to do my subtraction. So I'm going to start with the 2, the whole number. That was easy. I could do that directly. I subtracted it from my whole number 3. Now I'm going to subtract the 3/4. But over here I see I only have 2/4 to subtract from, not 3/4. But I do have this 1 over here that I could change. What could I change it to? Well, I know that 4/4 is equal to 1. So I could add in 4 to my numerator here and clear my 1 in my whole number portion of my problem. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to clear the 1 and I'm going to add in 4, and I have to add in 5 and then clear 1. So now I have 6/4. I've changed this into an improper fraction. 6/4, and I want to subtract 3/4. So I'm subtracting the 3, so I can't do that directly. I'm going to take away the 5 and then return 2. And I get my answer, which is 3/4. And that was how I would do a subtraction problem with a fraction.